Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ahrefs for backlink audits and link building, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Ahrefs for backlink audits and link building, start by creating an Ahrefs account if you haven't already. Visit the Ahrefs website and choose a suitable plan based on your needs. Once registered, log into your Ahrefs dashboard. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool from the main menu. Enter the URL of your site or the site you want to analyze into the search bar. Click on the search button to retrieve the backlink profile. Once the analysis is complete, review the overview of backlinks on the right. Scroll down to view the backlinks section for a detailed list. You can filter backlinks based on various parameters like nofollow, dofollow, and referring domains. Take note of any toxic backlinks that might harm your website's SEO. To perform a backlink audit, click on the Site Audit tab in the main menu. Enter the URL of your site and set up the crawl settings to match your requirements. After initiating the site audit, wait for the tool to crawl your website. Once the crawl is complete, access the backlinks report to view all links associated with your domain. Examine the audit results and identify any areas that need attention. In the anchor text section, analyze which keywords are linked to your site. Now, for link building, go to the Content Explorer tool. Enter relevant keywords or topics related to your niche. Click on the search button to find content with existing backlinks. Analyze the top performing articles to identify potential link building opportunities. Reach out to the authors of these articles with a personalized pitch for your content. By regularly monitoring your backlinks and link building efforts, you can ensure sustainable growth for your website. This process will not only help you improve your backlink profile, but also enhance your overall SEO strategy. By leveraging Ahrefs effectively, you can build a strong and credible online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.